everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lolo for those of you who didn't already know. So today I'm back with another unboxing video, and it's something that's super exciting because I've been waiting for this to come in the mail for to be honest, not that long, maybe like 2.5 weeks, but it's just been really nerve-wracking for me. So obviously you can tell by the title already that today I will be unboxing the new iPhone 11 Pro. I'm so excited that this is finally here. Like bloggers, picture Instagram people worldwide, the camera for this, I was like, no, I have to jump on this. So here it is. I feel like I'm one of the first people to get it because I pre-ordered, so I was like, let me do an unboxing so you guys can decide if it's worth it, or if you want to get it, or if you want to hear someone's before you go ahead and purchase. So if you're interested in seeing me unbox the new iPhone 11 Pro, then keep on watching. Okay, so I got the iPhone 11 Pro. I got it in the green color. It's called Midnight Green, and this is the 256 gig iPhone. So the whole point of this new phone is that it has 3 cameras. At first, I think I saw someone say why do we need 3 cameras? How many faces do we have? But still, I was like, what? Okay, so let me just open the phone first of all. So this is a live reaction, obviously, because I can see I'm taking, when they say tear rubber, I'm taking it off. It's like a kid on Christmas. Okay, bye. It's in a kind of green box. It's not quite black, so it matches the vibe. I don't even want to touch it because I don't want to get my grubby fingers. You guys, it is gorgeous. Okay, so the back is kind of I'm going to compare it to my old phone, which has a smashed back, but I have Apple Care, so I'm going to replace this. The old iPhones are shiny at the back. This one, as you can see, is matte. It's not shiny. In terms of size, this is a Pro 10, so they're actually exactly the same size, which is great because I didn't want it to be any bigger. So yeah, like I was saying, the main thing about this phone is the 3 cameras. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the cameras and what they're supposed to be. Okay, so the first one, which is that one, is called the ultra wide camera. Sorry, I'm reading from my laptop as well, so I can give you guys all the details. It has 13 millimeter focal length, something 4 times more scene, 12 MP sensor, 120 degree field of view, 5 element lens, and a 2.4 aperture. I don't know what all that means, but it just means that we also have the wide camera that has a 26mm focal length, 1.8 aperture, 6 element lens, optical image stabilization, 100% focus pixels, and a new 12 MP sensor. The last camera is a telephoto camera with a 52mm focal length, larger, 2.0 aperture, 6 element lens, optical image stabilization, 2 times optical zoom, and a 12 MP sensor. So I mean, it just really seems like you pretty much have a DSLR in your hand. And I started vlogging with this. I got this pretty much because I wanted to start vlogging with my phone. It was just a lot easier, and my camera quality on this was amazing because it was the Pro. So when this came out, I was like, gotta get the Pro, there's just no way around it. This is 256 gigs, so I should have a lot of memory. I just want to show you guys what else it comes in the box. So obviously you have the stuff that comes with all the iPhones, all this stuff. You have the charging bit. Okay, so the charger seems to be different. Now this charger I think is similar to what they've done with the new laptops. So it doesn't have a USB port thing. It's like this. This is about to be mad inconvenient when I'm out and about and I need to use someone's charger. But this part is still the same actually, so maybe not. It should be fine. I think it's just this that's changed. Let's see. Yeah, so we have a new charger similar to what comes with the new MacBooks. And it comes with its own lightning cable. And for the love of God, when are you guys gonna start giving us free AirPods? We get earphones again, but with the amount of money we're paying for these phones, I feel like it's about time that we just get AirPods, right? Comment down below if you agree. It's time for AirPods, Apple. Okay, back to more on the camera on this phone. As I was talking about vlogging and stuff like that, this camera has 4K video, 4K is pretty much like how high you can go. 1080p is usually what most vloggers use because not everybody's phone can actually view video in 4K. I always record in 4K because I use my DSLR, but now this would allow me to actually vlog in 4K, which is like amazing. So we also have A13 Bionic for real-time processing, audio zoom to match the audio with your video framing, and 4 times more scene with the ultra wide. Oh, sorry, I've been calling this the iPhone 11 Pro. This is the Pro Max. My bad, it's the Pro Max. Let me not lead you guys astray. So it's a little bit bigger than the general like Pro. The size difference between the normal Pro and the Pro Max would be like that. So you can sort of decide what size you're comfortable with. This would be the size of the normal Pro, and this is the size of the Pro Max. The phone is 6.22 inches, which personally, like I said, if you've seen the regular iPhone X Pro Max or iPhone X Pro, whatever it's called, the bigger one, it's pretty much the same phone. Like, it feels the same, the front looks the same, the back just looks like super different. The screen has obviously been teched out a little bit more. The size of the screen is 6.5 inches, which is great for me when I'm editing photos and stuff. I can see like everything proper, you know, super retina display. Like, it's just the creme de la creme of iPhone, like, you guys. This phone says it's splash, water, and dust resistant. Now, I know a lot of people messed up their iPhone X's because they said it was water resistant, and some of you were going underwater. Water resistant and waterproof aren't the same thing. So maybe if this were to drop in and you picked it up right immediately, you may be alright. Or if you were to put it on a table and it sat in water, that would be alright. But you can't really go underwater and start using the phone. That's gonna damage the phone because it's not waterproof, it's just water resistant. Okay, I'm debating whether or not I should put it on because I'm not quite ready to use this phone yet. I need to get a phone case for it, and I also need to get another SIM card because I'm still gonna be using my other phone. So for now, because it's like literally hot commodity, and if I were to break or get this phone stolen, I will literally cry. So until I sort all of that out, I'm gonna leave it in the box. I just wanted to unbox it and show you guys like my first reactions to what it looks like. And obviously this is a new color, so I thought a lot of you would want to actually see what the color looks like, not in person but sort of in person. The last thing about this phone is how much it goes for. Like I said, I got the 256 gig of the Midnight Green Pro Max, and this phone goes for $1,249 unlocked and SIM free, which is what I have, obviously, because I'm not in the United States or the United Kingdom where they are locked to their carriers. So that's how much this costs, and in Naira that adds up to about 450k. Now, do I think this phone is worth it for the amount of money that it goes for? I really think it depends what you're doing with it. Like, if you're somebody like me who does a lot of like graphics and photos and videoing, and like this helps me make money, then yeah, it makes sense. But if you're somebody who your current iPhone is working fine and you're not a big picture camera, because to me it seems as though the big changes in this phone are to the design a little bit, but not really, and the cameras and the videos. So if that's not something you use often, you would probably just be getting it for the heck of it, which is fine because like iPhones are like iPhones. But I would say don't like lose sleep and do not pay rent to get this phone. Like, it's not that serious unless you're really gonna use the features, and then in which case I think it makes sense. Okay, I am just gonna put the phone on for a quick second just to see what the screen looks like before I go off. So to put it on, you just press and hold the side button here, and here we go. We have the Apple logo, which means we are live. But yeah, that's the new iPhone, guys. I'm super excited to play with it and have all my transfer all my stuff on here and just take some bomb pictures. So you guys better head over to my Instagram and my Snapchat. Make sure you're following me so that you catch all the new cool pics I'm about to post and my new vlogs and videos and stuff like that, because like I said, I'm going to do a life update and explain to you guys why I'm about to be ready for you guys on YouTube. But till then, just make sure you hit the subscribe button and go on my social medias and all that stuff to keep up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! For my iPhone.
P-Tunes Beats. Purchase your tracks today. P-Tunes Beat.